Magwawalk po kami sa town center. Malayo pa po ang aming pupuntahin. Kasi cut ko muna ang video. Nandito na po kami. Ganda ng mga buildings. Bago ang init-init pa po dito. Maglalakad po kami paikot sa town city or I don't know. Lalakad na. Lalakad na po kami dito. Oh my gosh. Pipicturean lang po ako ng ninang ko. Wait lang. Tapos na po ang pag-pipicture. Lalakad na. Pipicture pa ulit dito. Done. Lalakad na po kami dito. Dati kala ko po dito ay farm.
Farm nga to dati.
Ah, farm ba? Ginagawa pa po ang building. Ginagawa pa. May bahay kubo. Bago may mga sacks. Oh my gosh.
Parang gagawin always open.
Parang always open daw. Sorry daw po ni Ninong. Si Pennywise. Init-init po dito. May sales office doon. May ipong tao doon. Plan pa po sila, oh. Mga magsasaka. Oh my gosh, oh. Ngayong bahay ko ba? Lapit natin. Gagawin kong building. There's so many people here. Copyright music, copyright music. Galing. Construction site pa to. May kotse doon. May naglalakad doon. May nagbabike. May motor. May tricycle. May plants. Self-division. Self-division daw po yung mga bahay. Subdivision. Oh my God, there's a hole. May hole. Ba mahulog pa. My God. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Ang raming semento. Garahe ata yun eh. Garahe. I think that's the garage. Oh, nasa likod. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Meron pang isa pang building doon. Hotel. There's a tire in the rocks. There's tires. There's so many rubbles. It's now windy and warm. It's windy and hot. There's no clouds. There's no clouds. My gosh. There's a pipe. A very long pipe. Oof. Oh my gosh. There's bricks. It's Legos. And lots of mini rocks. That's cement. And another Pennywise there. My gosh. And there's buildings there. And there's plants. Many of plants. Now, there's a wall. Parang nasa Attack on Titan. Walang mga sasakyan dito. Mga tao lang. Kami. Ang ganda oh. Lakas oh. It's not sunny anymore. It's not sunny anymore. But there. I stepped on it. I just stepped on it. Hirap ang English. There's a caution tape. There's wires and stuff. Iikot ulit. Paikot ng paikot ng paikot. I'm gonna show you again. There's pine cones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 trees. I don't know what this is. That's a pole. And there's a sign. I think I missed the sign. And more Legos. I mean bricks. I mean lots of bricks. Lot of cements. There's stairs. There's stairs there, guys. Woohoo! Gang gang. It's now sunny again. It's now sunny again. It's now sunny. And there, the barbed wire stairs. Barbed wire stairs. There's people. Those are called construction workers. Mga construction workers. Walang mga ibang unemployed. Mga construction workers, wala. Malapit na matapos yung build Magbre-break muna kami. Dito sa stairs. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda guys. Oh my god. Pero sunny. And there's rocks. Lots of rocks. My hands are dirty now. Oh my gosh. May mga kabayo at karabaw. And that's a big tree for Tarzan.
Dati hindi mo katanda. Di kasi yung tayo naglalakad.
Yung nga.
Dati.
Hmm.
Dati arigo pa dati.
Dati gubat daw to, sabi daw ni Ninong.
Doon tayo naglalakad.
Doon
Yung may
po
dalang
kami
tayo.
nag-ano. Nga eh, bago yung lumilipad. Doon po kami, yung nasa walls, doon po kami naglalakad. Sa walls naglalakad? Ayun. Wait guys. Pogi mood. Oh my gosh. Tingnan niyo po. May mga lanterns pa oh, parang pang-Americans. Pang-Americans yarn. Oh my gosh. Pwede ito maging mansion or hotel or a resort kapag may swimming pool. Kapag meron swimming, wait lang, kapag meron swimming pool. Oh my eye! It's super good out here. Mamaya po-post ko po to sa YouTube. My gosh. May mga houses pa dun. Dun 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 dun. Aray ko. I just got dizzy. Nandito ko kami. Nag-cut lang ako ng video. Ha? Ayan nga. There's lots of chairs. But there's a pit. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's sunny again. It's sunny again. Oh. It's windy and sunny. Oh. It's echoing. Oh my gosh. My Ninong is videoing me. I'm doing vlog. Oh my gosh. Yeah, once in a lifetime. I'm just gonna guys, pagbibideo po ako na papuntang uuwi, hindi pa to patapos na video. Not yet, not yet. Hindi na po ako magagawa ng Roblox na video. Joke lang. Oh my gosh. Oh God. Mag-subscribe po kayo sa favorite kong YouTuber, si Lazy Slide. Hear the crunch. Hear the crunchiness.
Ano ka sa bakal?
Oh my gosh. The sewer.
Muna ka maglakad pa ba?
Yeah. Hanggang dun po, bago hanggang dun. Wawa kami hanggang dun. Dun. Yung nga. Pero hindi umiikot. May palaka. May palaka sa sewer, nakita ko. Guys, may palaka sa sewer, nakita ko po. Pakita ko may... Pero ko, magpapayat na ako. Oh! Bang bang. Oh, look at the view. It's so pretty and beautiful. That's the same thing.
Pretty and wonderful.
Okay, it's pretty and wonderful. I just got, oh my god, aray! I just found this. Bye. Yeah. Better if it's night. Better if it's night here. Aray! Sturdy. Tung 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 sarun. Parang nagha-hiking, oh. Back and forth. My legs get to me to A to B. A B C D E F H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Those are my workers. I cannot step in the legs. Aray. There's a bottle and caution tape again. Oh my gosh. We can do this thing forever. Say it's not forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Ayan po. Ayan po. In peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest na po. Magre-rest na po kami.
Sunset.
Ayan. Tagal ng sunset. Ang oras na ba? Wait, it's dark. Wait, it's super dark. Yes.